Alrighty guys, I've made it to the first of several trips to the Disney parks. Today is all about Blizzard Beach. I first want to say parking is free here. That is fantastic. I love you guys so much. Disney is already awesome. The fact that parking is free. So anyway, we're going to get into the water park. Let's do this. Blizzard Beach. Woo!
So much fun in here!
Alrighty, I'm in the park. So today is going to be interesting. So I'm not going to be using this camera that much just because I am around water. However, I will be using the GoPro, so I mean, it's up to you guys if you like GoPro footage or not. I have mixed feelings about it, but there's the cool slides. I think I'll go around and just film for a little bit and then actually get into the water park. I'm not here for that long because who knows, I might make a pit stop at SeaWorld. So I mean, that's always a possibility. But yeah, enjoy the footage. I find it interesting so far, because I haven't really done anything, is that they have these little water misters kind of relax your feet while you're walking across the hot sun. I thought that was a very cool feature. Like, there's one. There's one up ahead. That's actually really neat. Looks like these slides are closed. Interesting. No wonder why they call it Blizzard Beach. Wow, that is cold water. Woo! That is refreshing. Let's go to these waterfalls. Let's hope we don't get in trouble. They're not bad, but I definitely prefer Typhoon Lagoon. And there's no like wave machine here. These are just waves coming from off the side here. Getting wet. I know you guys don't typically like water parks, but have fun with this anyway. Not bad actually. They kind of like form and then deform. So not as like insane, of course, for short breakers, which sucks actually. I think it's one thing that makes this water park go downhill actually. Broken yet. Holy cow, that was really fast. That was great. Oh man, I'm doing it the furthest. Ready, steady. Oh, there they go. Fire. Oh dang it. They won't go lead. And there they go. Oh! I literally went in air. I literally left the slide. Bro, did you get air like I did? That last drop, I was completely off the slide. I was just like, what the heck? This is the best place to come for Blizzard Beach, apparently. Over by the wave pool. Yeah. Oh, man. Ah! Don't fall over. Oh no. Oh. No, I want to get to the water. water. Your glasses. That is cold. That is freezing. No. Oh no. I guess I'm walking. Bro, look at that. Whee! Oh, jeez. I don't feel like I'm breathing my ass off. Yeah, oh yeah. It was freezing earlier. Jeez. What is this? Opposite reaction. Yo! I feel like I'm getting backwashed. Oh. Ah! What are these waves? Yeah. What? Yeah, I know. Exactly. It's called backwash. What is this? Ah! I can't even turn. They're just big breaks. I think these are better than... Ah! These are the only good spot for them. Unfortunately, you can't body surf. You can't body any surf. You can't do any body surfing here. Ah! They're just getting tumbled over there. Oh, you're joking! Wow! Ah. Oh, you must be joking! Jonathan! What is this? Did I get a break? No! Wow! Ah! Like April Street. You're gonna get a break? Exactly! It never ends! Alrighty guys, that ends my day here at Blizzard Beach. The park closes at 6 and it's basically almost 6 o'clock. The wave pool's like, I believe it's officially off. So far, not a bad park. Oh no, the wave pool's still going. This is not a bad water park. I do prefer Typhoon Lagoon over this, but not bad. Like Typhoon Lagoon, this suffers in the lackage of slides. Like, the really only big things here are Summit Plummet and Slush and Gush. With the Mat Racer, and that's probably about it. I mean, there's some other slides around, but like Typhoon Lagoon, this park just feels big, but it's small and small packaged. But on that, yeah, I might go to SeaWorld while I'm down here and stuff like that, since I'll be here an extra day, or I might hit Tampa again. We'll have to see. But I am heading out. Partially sunburned, but smiling. So overall, a good day. Hello, bye! I'm just getting more excited. Oh, by the way, these are the coolest ticket answerings. These are really cool. Alrighty, so I will end it out here in front of the Blizzard Beach Water Park sign, which is right here. So I want to say thank you all for watching. Make sure to check out other park visits that I've been to. Sorry this was more water park based, but hope you enjoyed it. Thank you all for watching. And as always, roller coaster fanatics, keep coasting.